No, 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 no. Too many times I beat up on my piece on hate.
Oh, in this video, we're just gonna have some fun and make some music. Output has put out a new line called Dark Pop, which is described as follows. Grit, atmosphere, and melancholy embrace the moody allure of modern pop. I want to thank Output so much for sponsoring this video so I can show you the line, but also just to have fun. So, let's get to it. I'm gonna click this faded horizon. Ooh. All right, let me at least play with the modules up here. 1 second. Oh, what? So I got that. That's hard. I don't know where we going, but it feel like we about to like talk about life. So now what we're gonna do is let's get a little bit of a swing vibe going with it. Let's put some drums. Now let's make this clap sometimes go crazy. I want you to give me something, a female vocal, and nowhere to be. Wow. Let's go back to Dark Pop. Let's see if I can find a pattern here. Oh, you get crazy. I want to look for one more percussion sound because I need something a little bit more exciting. There it is. Thank you. Let's work on a little bass line. All right, that's a weird bass. I usually wouldn't choose stuff like that, but that worked. Let's add a little flair. I got an idea. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Too many times I beat up on my piece on hate, on my emotion. Reason in my Instagram, you be in my head. I can't tell you what I feel. Something where my something kills. I can tell you but if I try to fight, I guess you know that I can turn on my life. You got yourself, but you can't tell me for my life. When I know you do there's something for your pride. I know when you run around, I know that you feel the way that I hit. She goes on to something when I see the way that I hit. Something when I hit somebody, get someone I get. Something when I get, oh I guess I win when I gotta fight. I know you wanna get it started. I don't wanna fight. I know you gotta feel nice. But if I cannot imagine what you learn is passion. Want your satisfaction. Something with passion. I should have made more beat, dang.
Yeah, that was fun. That made me make something pretty dark, but like still in my vibe and stuff like that. Again, thank you so much Output for sponsoring this video and just let me have some fun and be creative. I'll leave a link in the description below also for Output if you're interested in getting it and stuff like that. But yeah, draw your own conclusions. That was just one of the lines within the line. Yeah, I'm out of here. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm out. Until next time, y'all.